Hello everyone, and today I am going to be doing an install of this Bosch PureVision wipers. If you guys seen my last video of the Bosch icon video, I want to first off and say my apologies because the video was too long and I did not explain it the way it's supposed to be explained. I should have said unboxing, uninstall, and install and test on it. And that's why it became long. So for this one, I'm actually going to set things correct for many of you guys. So we are going to do is an unboxing. We're gonna take an uninstallation, and the vehicle that we're using is this 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This is actually deformed. You can see it. It's ripped completely. We have to take it out. So we are going to do an uninstall of that, unbox this, install the new Vipers onto the vehicle, and we're going to do a test on it. This video is long. The reason I'm doing this is because we are going to show the whole process. And I know a lot of times people want it quick and done, it's easy, and I understand that. And there's a lot of impatience, but we are trying to do it carefully and we're trying to do the right thing. And I know I got the criticism for it, I got the message, I re-edited the video, but this time we're gonna try again. This time hopefully this is more explanatory and we are gonna do the whole process. So I will put the time codes on the description down below, and it'll say unboxing, uninstall, install, and test. So it'll be all in time codes on it in the description down below, or it will be in the comment pinned. So be on the lookout for that, and let us begin doing the unboxing of this. Alright, to uninstall this wipers, there should be a little tiny slat right here. We're going to lift this up and it's easy to take out. But these are the little clips, like depending on what kind of joint you have on your wipers. I know Mercedes have one clip where you have to slide it. They have the sliding mechanism for it, and here's the tab, and there's other ones for it, like with a cover on it. So check with your manufacturer to see what kind of type of joint you have for your wipers before you begin. We're using the J-hook type again, so we're gonna try again this time. And this is on, and again, the vehicle that we're using is a 2013 Cadillac Escalade. This is valid on any Cadillac Escalade or a Yukon. Here's the wiper. It's rounded over there so it can fit the curvature of the windshield itself. Back to the point, the vehicles that we use, as I said, is the Cadillac Escalade, but this will work on the Tahoe, which is the same body frame as the Escalade, the Suburban, the Yukon, and Yukon XL. And there's also the 2008 Hummer H2 I did previously did a video on, and that has the hook joint. So just gonna get you guys aware. So here's the hook joint, and you can slide it up and down, and you can see the number on it. So this is what it looks like. This is a 22-inch curvature wiper blade. No cover on it this time, unlike the Bosch icon. We're just doing a normal slide in for it. This is the cover-ups for it. Right here, I just threw this on the side. This is the manual for it. They teach you on how to install it, a quick installation guide on it. So this is the installation guide. See, there's different knob points, hook joint. This is the pin, another pin, and then a double pin. So, and then they tell you how to install it accordingly. You can follow it. So you go for the hook joint, you go in, slide it, hook it in there, and that's how it is. The next one, you have this little adapter, so get the hook joint and get the tab, and then you get your joint, and then you get your wiper and then slide it into the point. There's different joints for each one. So be sure to know, based on your manufacturer, figure out what type of joint we're using. But today we'll be using only the hook joint, so it's pretty easy and standard. So excuse the noise because there is cranes out there. Again, let's take this out one more time. This is the unboxing portion of the video. All the joints, depending on your manufacturer, another set of joints, and wiper. So that is the wiper for it. So let us begin doing the uninstallation. Let us switch to the GoPro. So hopefully you could hear me with the microphone itself. We are going to take out the hook joint on this one. So this is the hook joint. First of all, take this away from it, and we have to lift this up for it. And I'm gonna move the camera a little bit up like so and turn it like so. You want to keep this away from the windshield, otherwise you'll start having scratches over here and you'll damage your windshield. So keep it away. Hopefully you guys can see it. And now to remove this is to slide it down. You have to be very careful with it. So lift it like so. Should be a tab. Yep, there's a tab under here. If you can see, I'm pointing it. Lift this tab and then give it a wiggle. Sometimes it takes some work. It'll hurt. And you have to keep in mind, these wipers been here for quite some time, so it's going to be a little nudge. Like so. Lift up and like that. Lift this thing up, please, please, please. This is a metal thing. This will scratch your windshield. Always, always lift it up. Here's the wiper. Deformalities right here. It's completely deformed. It's all bent, and it'll make this creaking sound. And there's stuff over here on the ground. So hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. To install the PureVision by Bosch, make sure that this joint, this little notch right here, is positioned upwards. If you position downwards, you're going to have a difficult time installing it. So position upwards and slide it up like so until you hear a snap. And to completely take it out, make sure it's positioned, and I'm lowering it, position upwards at an angle like this and like that. That's how you take it out. So let's put this back in position upwards and like so. So the camera died on me on the GoPro. So this is how it looks like, and it has the curvature. This is the PureVision by Bosch, and it is the same exact size for it, straight down. So this is a 22-inch. This is the same on the Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Yukon XL. It's the same 22-inch wipers that you use. If you're using on a 2003 to a 2009 Hummer H2, you need a 17-inch. They have a 16.5 actually, but it's up to 17 inches for it, the max you could go. Other than that, let's do the test video and close it off. So after the test, and we have completed the test, you can see how visible you can see PureVision. And when I completed it, let us go inside and see from the outside itself. And clear vision, completely clear. So hopefully this will make some sense out of this, and hope you enjoy this video. Leave a comment, please leave feedback. Also, if you just want the simple install video, I could do that. Just let me know. Just say that just say in the comments, I just want to see the shortened version of the video, and then I will create it and I will give it to you guys. But if you guys want the long video, you can stay on and watch this again to see the whole thing. So the main purpose I am doing this is to show the big picture of this one. It's to educate people, and that's the whole point. I know a lot of times it's like simple job over a simple video. Like, why don't you just make a shorter video? And it's like, I get the point, and that's what happened with the Bosch icon video. So I shortened it because of criticism, but I shouldn't have done that. I don't know whether I should have done that, but I'm doing it again to see if there's slightly is some change of heart. But I'm gonna leave an option with you, the viewer, what you think about it. I'm leaving the forum open for you guys. If you want to see a short video of this one, I will make a short video for that. That is not a big deal. I will just run through the highlights and give it to you guys right on the spot. So, but if you want this, if you like this long video of explaining why, then go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like, and yes. So thank you so much for watching. This is not that much of an entertainment. This is more of like, you know, we're car guys, car people, and we like our cars, and we like to have fun and probably educate each other once in a while. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, so make the best out of education. So see you next time.